Well, how on children to do? This should the Queen Quet head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Plenty on children done yet me say, God done smile upon me. And when I look out over the shoreline of the Gullah Geechee Nation, no matter where I am, from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, I feel the energy of my people gathered together on the coast, as we've done so many times, to honor the legacy of our ancestors, those that came in chains but then fought to hold on to this land. I pray now that you would join me to honor their legacy of those that continue to keep the traditions to pass down to our children, my family members that are fighting to hold on to the very same things that have sustained us over the generations, over the years. Spiritually, we baptized in these same waters. We built the rice dikes and trunks in these waters. We gather our sweetgrass from along the intercoastal waterway, and these baskets have become world renowned. But there are so many people that I've reached out to over the years that still do not realize that we are part of a human rights movement. We are making sure that our voice continues to be heard at the United Nations on a consistent basis, because neither the course of addressing climate change impacts on cultural heritage nor the knowledge we gain from our understanding of cultural heritage have been comprehensively addressed in climate policy responses at any level. So I am reaching out to you to help me take this to the next level, to the UN once again at COP22 this year. I need your support for my journey to be able to be with other world leaders in Marrakesh as we discuss these critical issues that I work on a regular basis on my islands to protect our shores, to try to enhance the water quality for our people to have for future generations, to keep our fisheries alive, and so that our traditions along the Gullah Geechee Nation's coastline of the Sea Islands will be here for the many generations to come, and that we'll be able to sustain ourselves from subsistence fishing and crabbing, and be able to continue to teach our children how to do the same into the future, because all the generations of our family gather together at these shores that we have lived on for all of these decades, and we want to be able to continue to be there. But we are now faced with more than just bringing our Gullah Geechee family together. We have to now connect in these waterways the way that our ancestors did, to keep our traditions alive by bringing in new partners that also are going out along our shorelines with us to survey these areas that look pristine, and where our forested lands are now being the places that we have skeletons of trees laid out because of the climate change effects coming in to the coast, eroding it away. The storm waters continue to come in to our shoreline, and people have seen this nationally and internationally. They've prayed for us, but we need you to contribute, to flow in some donations, some contributions to keeping off these folks that would put oil along our shorelines, that would try to seismic blast here, because our community and our story, our history is at risk. But our roots are as strong as the sea oats and as powerful as our oak trees, that our ancestors that worked this land stood beneath and shared their stories, that we want to be able to now take before the world right here in our hands, to let them see what it is that can grow if we all work together. But if the waters begin to flood the area, what will we be nurtured with? We want to protect these waters so that they're drinkable. That's why the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association works daily to bring this word out to the national media, to our local media, and even to the international media. But now I ask you to send me once again internationally to show people what I've looked at every day on my shoreline, to bring this to the world so that they know who we to be, that we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. And we want to be here for more generations to come. So I pray you support me going to COP22.